In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a poll on Twitter or X. Simple and easy. A poll that people can vote. Simple and easy. So to do that, you are going to tap on the plus button like you're creating a post. So you tap on that. Good. And on this section, you can see beside the location icon there, you see the arrow on your screen. Just tap on that. That is a sign for the poll. So we can add something like what's your gender, something like this. And then you can even add a picture to the options. So first you can make a male, second female, and then you can tap on the plus to add another option. And then you make this others. You can even add emojis too and add images here. And you can also choose the poll length. So tap on that. You can switch it to hours. You can switch it to days. So you can see up to 7 days, and the number of hours too you can slide. Yeah, so 7 days exactly, or you can make it 7 days 2 hours, 7 days 2 hours 3 minutes. Yeah, something like that. We set it. Good. So our poll length is going to be 7 days 2 hours and then 3 minutes. And what's your gender? And we add a question mark, and then we tap on post. It's simple and easy and that. So you can see our post is here. What is your gender? So when someone selects male, you see the percentages changes. So that's it on how you create a poll that people can vote on X. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.